Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up dropshipping on Wix. First, you'll want to select a profitable niche. This means finding products with high demand but not too much competition. Researching potential products and reliable suppliers is crucial for your success. Understanding the dropshipping model, where you don't hold inventory, offers significant benefits like lower startup costs and reduced risk, making it an excellent choice for new entrepreneurs. Next, it's time to build your online store. Begin by creating a Wix account and choosing an attractive e-commerce template that suits your brand. Then, head over to the Wix app market and install a dropshipping app, such as Modalist or Printful. These apps are essential for managing your products and orders. Finally, connect your chosen dropshipping supplier directly to this integrated app, streamlining your product sourcing process. Once your store is set up, you'll import products. Easily transfer items from your dropshipping supplier directly into your Wix store. It's vital to optimize product titles, descriptions, and images to improve your search engine visibility, helping customers find you. Carefully set competitive pricing to attract buyers and clearly define your shipping policies, including delivery times, to manage customer expectations effectively. This attention to detail can significantly boost sales. Finally, it's time to market your dropshipping store and attract customers. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that includes social media campaigns, engaging email marketing, and effective search engine optimization. These efforts will help you reach your target audience. Continuously monitor your sales performance, gather valuable customer feedback, and be prepared to adjust your marketing strategy as needed to ensure sustained growth and success for your new venture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.